Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your browser and OS support picture-in-picture. Updated Chrome, Edge, or Safari work best. Open the YouTube video you want and sign in if necessary, because playback preferences can depend on your account. Once done, pause any extensions that modify video controls so they do not block the context menu. You do this to reduce interference and ensure the PyP option appears reliably. Now keep the video tab selected and ready for the next interaction. Now you actually invoke picture-in-picture. On desktop Chrome or Edge, right-click the video twice to expose the browser's context menu and pick picture-in-picture. This detaches the player into a floating window so you can keep watching while multitasking. In Safari, control-click the video or use the media controls to enter picture-in-picture. On mobile, if the YouTube app doesn't offer PyP, open the site in a browser and use the browser's pop-out media control. This method finished by positioning and resizing the picture-in-picture window to suit your workflow. You can click the overlay to pause, play, or return the video to the tab. If PyP fails to appear, make sure your browser is up to date. Disable ad blockers or extensions that change video behavior, and reload the page. These steps usually restore the context menu option. Also note that some platform apps restrict PyP to subscribers, so try the mobile browser as a fallback if the app won't enable it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.